Maneva na sema PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV de osia dem yopo.
Ne Honorable Andy Appiah-Kubi Esquire, former MP Asante Agyapong North constituency Ebabebo Enkomo Punimpuso. Nti baby will be a come home. Honorable Mwatna say. Bibi aboko de. Nyame ase. Ansa na wo betena si ye ankasa na mo member na wo new patriotic party sabe wo so what say the base movement. What na ho? Honorable asembe na beko wo futu bi de ma Dr. Otibo Nsuana.
Yo me beshia no ha no achia no ne de aboko kakra. Sabe wo ye enua. Enti mudie bia de ya na ya. Enti se unua okra so okukumase no besamba na ya kakra wo mu. While waiting for unua no to return. Enti se ne eni enua no nyina kabumu ye amanyosem ya binum se ompese omuye enti ohu no. Ya wo mpa. Mpa ya kachire nyina di ho ya. Na nso so se unua ne se obekọ ne chia. Pa body bebo se nyame beka omakuma na omwasa be fie ni fie enti ye be di ho nkomo okay minim se na mo bi ho ayi betu penifo betu okay en mususu ayi wasi nsu betu bi aboa se ne be ya ebekwe ni baby a ofre ni baby a wotie no wo sisa obrabo mu a enye ni nyina na ya na ye ese e wadi nyina ho kwan enso nye ni nyina na fatai na political history na ewo Ghana ha. Enye first time a binumu eni mankuo no enya dwene a omate ho. Bebri asida. Francia wo in fact first republic, second fourth republic imu. Say NDC DC ehase. Yewura Dr. Obeda Samoa, me nua pani Kuzitando, me mama First Lady Konadu Womunyina Anyebi NPP mu first time in the Fourth Republic ye hu ye no ne ye papa Agyapong ono susu oye swati no enti de beto so sesi no ye minuanu a ye hia no sesi ye base movement na se obi bobra bi na peso osua ya de se hu se bra no mboy de kosi obusai se kosi yie na se wo di akira and you have to follow good examples. You don't follow unsuccessful examples.
We so better na see no be send message enye honorable Andy Appiah-Kubi lawyer nina bra ye didn't answer honorable Ken the treason or go to charge non a lawyer no ni and the base up enye honorable Ken kokos honorable Ken kokos what na see no be send message and
the Kaka tells and then Jamu we are we make us a beer.
The base is
Omo who can so me because constitution be a year the best on the penny, a best on your mini because of me.
Okay.
It's Babamu we cry.
Who say
they become
on Cajon. But who said there's a possibility to say the base movement or Munina Besayaba NPP? Is there a possibility?
Okay. Na sabi negotiation the give and take.
Okay.
Ebi ana bibi oho a enuanum no enti ohun ase. Na bibi oho a ebi kra ye esi wo mkwan. Ye de free ho a na ehwe wo mu so dia a ebetimi a anya nkabomu bio. Nkabomu no ho hia critical. We can't afford not to let it happen.
Na nei no what new patriotic party yenhwe e dey na leadership no so you to reach out to them omotu one am bia na
miniaba menye executive member but minimye say your party ni hye mu no e ba ne say bibia ya na motu koso nti minim say omobetu ho anamo e say ne America no yenso so e wase no omo etimi no omkasa no yenso enu minmu kasa ebini minua oh yes
okay
ebini minua mnishia he obiti say minua kan me shia no amene ne bekasa ni akwa amene me madam fu pa bi o kan hu bi kasa
okay
me ka kire no say hu hia say nyina
no kan say
oh of course hwe obi ni ho a obe free ni fie kwa ya na bibi wo ho anti be fifie ho enti se bibi na wo ho no ye ka ho asem ye na anti ase to be honest with you yen kasa political communication sometimes we get it wrong.
Okay.
And men ka say NDC na me ka say NPP Ghana fo nyina mama yenya kuma pa say sa yimi ne ye kira yemfa kasade kasapa emfa nkire na ya na bedu ba bia nkofo bi nsem ya ka no ya na anohye se onu nu kasa no ahwe kasa bi yi enti se wa nye ni sa na ukakasa fo kire no a retrieving it na difficult enti ya na yinyina ye campaign minua Kennedy someone necrophobic kitchen. I was talking to them in the background. No. 2 years sir. Oh, so na nya me here to abanona me ni Dr. Bawumia fa.
Oh, now some they will be making it clear said Dr. Brian and me one fa. Okay. Then
so no somebody did Dr. Bawumia take for what? If I don't agree with him on the subject matter, I will state my position. Sure. Politely. And also so it's allowed. And mesumim kase Dr. Brian ti because could do obi atem. We did that temporary me we do obi atem mamia enye media. I won't accept it. We need to develop a culture. You develop your thinking through competitive opinions. And yet at the and now minu akumai for Kevin Taylor. Obi send video bi breme. Also what the abam so or say me menim say watchman. MC if I don't know me na me ba o na obi send breme na me say ya me da me wa say do am so abante me say menim say watchman menim say watchman no header wo different enti whoever dey change me say also dey try Kevin Taylor binya that yesterday so media it doesn't touch my body obi am me me ko play kakra now so say benim say watch my
but I mean on a more serious note you are handsome.
So watch man no person me bi ohana ka betu am ke
ya once you came free more bank one you don't mind but you say ejuma bone ente se kro no okay don't go bosses lawyer who boss
aka be president Mahama watch man akanye
nkape
like I say
o kasa say what stating clear say bra na presidential prime minister ne koso na on support Dr. Baba no ma wo kwan say didi na tem bibini na enkoyi a wa dwenkyere no wo be kyere wo anidie kwan so
indeed
but na me bisasa now no ni nyina akwakogu does it mean say wo candidate na wo support na win nti emma wonya doni anidie support na wo the flag bearer
agro no senior tie no ye kwakwa yi baako ye yi baako no wi a ye nyina ye de baako
okay
indeed and na kra mre na me Dr. Bawumia fi na me report to him sema me minima akoso ni ade na Dr. Brian utukwa kakra me no so me ye busy kakra se ye se nyina ko boneki dom Dr. ye se ye candidate ye ba ko
okay
enti ye ni obia foforo ka Dr. Bawumia enti se wuti ase se agurese ni edi na de hu kotomu it would be hypocritical say wokope ye wanya na uyonku nya ye nti wo say wo de wo nkoboa no there be that we anya ne sa
as obasa we are selfish
they be selfish and wo yes na me hu me ni wachi biu
oh
yes
and it very principled person
oh yes minu aba we say etie de eje ye nyina na ehihye ne ma se ebeji so se bi o Nyankopon kura no o yes selection no a on select ye nyina at the same time yes select one day o china ne select unia ade echi a be nya ho otra ebedu so enti ye wontwe se Nyankopon no nkasa enti obia o candidate anyi no brana beboa ye nyina candidate but yemfa we sunzu nye afutu sebse apiri bi edu ho a ya yenhwe ye di ye ne kasa mu yi asem bi ho mo kan na ne family no san ayedin enti wo kasa nyina no ya hwe yi obi ho no ma okokura so okako pachewa eje yi ebi o hono mususu a ebi a yanum a yenka hui ebi a yenso ekomu a ekopache onu ebe yi enti ya wo ko negotiation bi a yenhwe best fit candidates I do mbeko for negotiation anyesa obi o hokra hu nanimu ana ne buofu na nsusu patafo ho na o makuntokwa ho o ze yekobo boxing o say omo ekunu gian na so patafo bi na we bi do se table so ka say stop
say ujai okay lawyer, do you regret say we chema wuntu me lawyer?
Not at all. In fact, you're calling no. So ko edi software. Ma wo fa babru na dia so say sebi nipa bonsam kra ba me kenya mi se mo kire. So na sa na lawyer for tie. Wo ko best fa out no. Bra ye call wo no ka say I will defend all manner of persons who will come to me soliciting for my services.
Okay.
And to me, friends and Tam, Casa Antam New Year, Obi Obeba Hobia, a Sadia says, Buano,
and so we in
Debbie, so ye. So if because of special default be in your competence arrangement, no, area of law here person being represent with the mean competent and inti can make the minimum we are or specialize amount na ombebo na so say we competence in the area there so we can to the best of your abilities.
The entire maybe sasa no say na semi ya there abeye topical issue a lot of people ewe interest ewo sesi ayeke say awosha see o kan the obi di watem and because of that ni issue yinti na sa team didie no e ba yinti na ma mebusa say unye ndu because say obi be fan ordinary ni no wote obi bia sebi obi ntimi ma medi watem but because of asemi hunti no enewu di atem didie e ma sebi nsemi bi wo kwa me kwa ntimi bie ma no enye den kan ntina mi
na ira Yesu Kristo ono kwa na sebi boni pata no ho so nsemo e ka kire no ni die ye no the life of Christ is an example for all of us.
Okay.
And to say betuwa na nsese mane yo nwa.
Okay.
Na emum lawyer gwa no e train say tinipa na se act on his instructions, guide him through the law, and find favor for him in the face of the court. And he say, "Who can you say?" And you say, "You say your law no organ and your constitution. It say nobody is guilty until proven so." And he, brad, kuni a organ a chile say, "On your guilty there." I say, we are not expected to establish the innocence. The prosecution is expected to prove his guilt. And the say, because when to me and prove guilt within the law beyond reasonable doubt. Then we find the avenue for him to seek release. And today, na independent in the moment, na one more kind of sassy did you attempt to be a lawyer crowd who did that. Na lawyer Mr. Bawumia Bonibi and the Honamayana. Memum. Sanya tu a ubeba me ho mama mboa wo no saa na tu biso
obeba
say enye se me pena sem ti anase me tani ti na be select o client no the adwuma obi biara adwuma fata no
okay the last time you din komo na wo ka na about bail conditions no ne ade na wo hama on say see you very careful pa from that time now till date improvements be abana would we need ADDH chances such a be abana.
Well, in recent times me take say be every now and then you see conditions no be above from but emra form
still emra form
because the perform who the a very expensive so we give in some emra form na you say vengeance beyond in the ruling the in terms of bail application also. Wamama kwenye die enra pani bia mikoni ni mimfa kwenye sunchiano. Mr. Mumin awoye Mine Workers Union general secretary.
Okay.
He's fantastic human being.
Oh.
And me receive here on our office. I couldn't have asked for more. And the leadership of Mine Workers Union.
Okay.
And we'll be sharing in some negotiation. Congratulations.
Okay.
Now, some be and for comfort. Union for one here because say but
and then make chance someone na make say asem be baby and only two sides into I mean gina fa kun buaten e say utie the other side na so opinion one.
I was so impressed with his accommodation, his contributions to the debate. I learned a lot from him yesterday.
Wow.
And me channel no power na we congratulate you. On any team, no.
Team.
I was representing another group.
I see.
I said you go na me can't do that. The whole autograph, but I see. Thank you very much for yesterday, and have a very good morning.
Meaning, sir, we are some woody or minor so far or minor one chase any part do na any DH. What make it progress ne edu because me kai say papers no be at the buyer want to me get another chance to file witness statement ohun sama ko so you lawyer niti unim said obesi aka dane na say bi enko fast some famba
the thing say procedure no an yefaso no the law is the law in test and the procedure as we follow. And you know kabuma and the law no. Law no dey actually the whole na procedure and sometimes it's same kakra. Na the ye ni nyina say prosecution bo kwadu prosecution be establish elements in the charges in the offenses na yaba no. We the law for no betia say elements no say nine emrani gina so no nti emrani bi ho na gina 9 miensa so na se wo prove mienu kura na ba ko na meka ho a
we pay
so to be proven to me and saying and I prove maybe let me take this opportunity that mean fine in education it will be on causing fear and panic. I have been a lawyer in cases like that. Amina Muhammad, if you remember, Uton, I was a lawyer in it. And the elements, no, and it's number one, publication of an event or an occurrence. Number two, falsity of the publication. Number three, the effect of the publication having caused fear and panic in the citizenry. And Banisa, Nasa Opko prove say there was a publication. There was the publication was false. But Ubia must say man yema. So you wouldn't have proven the offense. So and obi atutu wakum obi nipewu meda bia nipewu ye no as a result of infliction of pain bia obi na cause here and on the cause here, but the intent nipa na cause here which is part of the aggregate abetimi ama offense no ground bia na mango bi ana so otwe bi ana krantie bi na number bi na metutu akobo no akunu. Unfortunately, my baby take it home. We two to Nakobono. Yes, ampa matutu. Ampa etun the bono. Ampa etun the kunu. But na again we said na
intention.
Okay, na mi kunu. Na mi kunu no anye ye na kukumo. And the difference between murder and manslaughter. So nipa di wu. But na nyama dwen se bi kukumo. And ti se ba ni say ya. Prosecution also prove the elements of the offense. I say, came out to me, why assignment, why assign the mineral rights to somebody. Now, we're going to have to say, for a valid assignment of an interest in land, it must be written and executed by the parties. And Section 34 of the Lands Act. And I would say, I want to me assign any interest of my ubia. And then my social debate say, yes, I assignment to know. Katano, any. So there is a valid assignment. It's a valid assignment in the to see Gakro.
Oh, it's not valid assignment be in your.
Until we share a case in more a motion to the court. It's a court, assignment to be a say, I want to be assigned and accompany an assign will be assigned. Be a month of marine.
Be a say anyhow.
Be a say anyhow. Now, so criminal justice system, no. Say a deal not say Crawford can't. One here, why be you say ain't to me knew that. The be a hobbit me do.
Sir,
I gave you could be quite betting their smartos.
at all so.
And tia assembly the two so. And tia man in your now say
A man in your.
And then a dear necessary in a na se say the air cost so may more. Be shishimi pani accused person turn prosecution witness. A dangerous phenomenon.
It's ya marana.
Entiam Brandon Swehu.
Okay, new one in any day.
Who says, say, ye, Saminu Mirum Powasem. Na say, Yachirobi, Edda Fiasi, the Biao came up with you. Na min Powasem until Beco Omo and no more a man who say be a prosecutor and say, oh, Coca say, a fear and the country of the say, in Kukunu. Na ampa ono so kokanisa e bia for a price so o kasa utimi kasa pa be you free na me do aba be fie kwadu
na obedia dance dia amame
na obedia dance dia amame atiawo ampa na yi wo fimu ono waje tum se me na me kum nipa no na yi na fimu na na be witness na wo obo odin no for any reason you could be mentioned. For any reason, it could be mentioned. Because
be any panel pen fan who die ain't so bad than the bull.
Me no prepare the be who emphasize we who.
Oh,
and inti masase woje. Enti hwe fanu be hyase num na me nyao. Nipa be fa sa bi there are a lot of situations that make me justify. Be a make prosecutor Emilia. Me Appiah-Kubi woje masase. Akoka che prosecutor say any kasa na yemfa nya prosecution witness na yenya no na yemfa afianko afiafiri ho amanya masase enti eba ne sa pe no be prosecution witness na ono se me na bikum no nipa no na so afia ne kan se mkuku no e bia wo ken na you are distant from it na yakofa woba as long as ono kasa ndie you are also an abettor of the crime. Anything emret mi chiw, emret mi so.
Wona onko kan se onko kan sei no.
Onko kan sei no kwa de
wo what obi ato ne tiri.
Wo onko kan se onko kan sei kwa bi o wakotena baabi. Na akobi ye crutch no a okum nipa no ye di nemba ya ma no promise say ye jawo. Ya vanko to afiase bi onti ba be kafu afiaso. Is this a justice system so?
Wow. In this case no chama want to me dey e bi apiem because na shase no ne manager
temu ye hokra ye duru ho.
Okay.
Achase samra boy. Obi a friend no Henry Inkum.
Okay.
O se me na metu agudie no. Me and the Magwasas in the soul. Any pair or horn, men and the Omoko. Omo Yagma mammy.
And mammy.
And near Mamuko, who two near Bubania, dear Muko in media.
Media.
And a good year no more tuning now. What dear mammy? Near Mokotu, horn one, young for mammy, a media. Yabisano said, dear Boko Tuno, when Yano, Chema won't woman be Debbie. Obahoda, Debbie. Company no who shares room Debbie
chama hunti me wo shares room mo say
Debbie you unkum no shares room Debbie prosecution witness ba ko dika no wonim chama hunti me minim no da me hunu a agise TV so chama hunti me obasa so da o ma hoda chama hunti me wa fa wadwuma o fa badwuma chama hunti me dia na wonim fa ho se me boss no e herinkum no na ka kire me se woni chema wontumi kodi nkomo na chema wontumi ma no kwan se onko asase do so dia onko tu me fatu je na onko tu onko asase do so na wo ho na mini ho
na wo ho no ne ko din komo no
no
ni ho
krata bi wo ho abahu na kire se chema untumi ni na wo sa hye da bi ni ho we no unkum no ba e wo se mini chema untumi ko din komo se concession no dey man the company no e akunta mining company no concession no dey man no krofo tutumu agu die akosɛ asase na me pese me kɔ siesie asase no so pese me kɔ keke gum na yedue kube na daachi bi na yetwa kube no a yemienu achi sika no enti ma me kɔ na me kɔ yes ade no.
That was the agreement.
That was the agreement. Ono ade kan you.
Oh, okay. Asa ntumi so gitu se sa na agreement no na kɔ.
Enti okudue kube no ama kube no wo ho sabe e kase. Na sɛ ono so koduru ho no hu sɛ ene obetu gudie no bi aka ho. Ono aso se da dwuma o ye dada no na agudie tu.
Agudie tu.
Yes, small scale man.
Okay, small scale to come.
Ene ogina court no se hihye am ni chema wutu bi hihye no. O kaka ho se minsantu agudie. Papa ne ka sa o. O
so san kaka ho so ntu agudie.
Chema wutu bi so I can agree say there be.
Enye no kwesa. But me ba o before oko hu say yetu ehon mo pese okodua kube no na chema wuntumi ya we say ebi mo afa echida kwa kotu no kwambo so
ana obi na chema wuntumi hu say nkrofo kotu agudie wona ase enso ama watwero letter koma Central Western Regional Security Council.
Okay.
Say nkrofo we omo akodi say nkrofo bi akodi dwuma we ti nko kwachichi om.
Okay.
Ama nyame chaade Western Regional Security Council no omo ajatum akọ akọchi nkrofo a boss abra no
awonnim
wo mu.
Okay.
Eni ti hwe a ya advertise ya witnesses ya do mu ba ba ku ni chairman of the Western Regional Security Council then. Okay. Ono na oje secretary no ma yakutu yakwachi sa nkrofo. Oba ku so ni former Minister for Defense. Ono na ye interministerial committee chairman for anti-guarantee squad. Mo release soldier for kokotire sankrofo. In evidence no more ka say e chire nkrofo na China for okura ka ho na de obeka say omo we. Then na omo amo chire omo guso omo ye adwuma no nya de nyina mo agya omo na obi otini kuma sitini ba bi ono na ogina ho ye bodu kwadu. Enti eno no ewo ho enti safo no omo ba bedidi adansi o se de ye kan nyina no kura na se je no kure ena nipa bi e ba bedi adansi omo nim industry no mu ansem no procedure for so industry ye de be law no requirement under the law for somebody to acquire a license, permit or whatever enti wono so ba bedi adansi na ye ka adansi fo no kura ma prosecution no ya bisa say chema wuntumi obekwa kire ministry ana minerals commission say what the mineral rights no mo bi mo se mo ni bibia sa onchoro tibia ma musa chema wuntumi company na kunta mines no o concession no by the man o de enso ansana betu na mo wo adwuma yi mu no agise wanya operating permit ni chema wuntumi be president ana ni company no o ba apply bi usi da bi o munya mfa ade bi ma leche se o mu kura no o munya ahoboa se o mu be kwa koye adwuma no na obi a wo ye adwuma no ono akwa be ye report am nkrofo ya kwachi wo mu
so be encroaching the land
that's ko to so no mo ho ebi ni gold no a ye gi ya da ho sesi a no a henry nkum no se eye ne dia a ono so se onya kunta bia ma chema wuntumi enti ono chema wuntumi kura de se bi wono de o kan kire mi se kanye se e ko kire sa nkrofo yi a eye at his instance and ko nim se gold bi kura de baby so enti ansem die no enti se ni penyantia se nyambotre ni e dia se bi ya di wo e be di mi so enti yem nyambotre ni enya djuma
okay so pe ni encheche mu a wo dia ba nyina no me a menye lawyer ni but sebio uti asemo who apply a common sense clearly no could see say everything is going in your favor
the be the money so ho wiase say ebi ho mo e be no pay o say Odu han medua ni si odu di ansa na owura o studio.
Let's inform ntwanto so.
Ntwanto so ho.
Ba ye twetwe bibi sa ato na so.
Ebia na ohwe, ebia na Appiah-Kubi na se de esi menim se wachiman.
Oh no ya.
Ebia na menim nya ofe. E ka ya so onya obaye.
And so in this case, you know, you think say I'm for being way to chant so koso or
so here be too careful to come to such conclusions.
Okay.
Because I need a court in the
court in a bit.
And I mean me bon crew send your course. And the opposite can say we say Jesus Christ to your phobia. Say lead me not into temptation.
Oh, but you think I'm leading into temptation? It is a crew in our ball honum.
Eh, ya bon crew.
Oh, okay.
Ya bon crew in our hotel. You say,
but we didn't send me court down court and be a court and a bubu cast.
Anything a bra judge, you know, a prosecutor, a real quite good bono, real prosecution, quite good bomba. We, you know, on another more semasa. Enti emremo no kwanya ho se o hwe se kwadu na aburi nyina ni evidence na support nyina in fact adwuma we ke court adwuma court no e free bibi so motu
okay
on its own ka o hwe evidence na hwe se ne ye ka no komedi ye di na no pe ya ka court no ati was komedi akoso die papa kwadu no a e de ball no nyina so enti yetwa so eno so amaso defense witness defense lawyers ebetimi aka say court we twodwe ko evidence no so adwe ye say nyina so nim enti ke be ye atwa so
okay
eno ni the friend submission of no case to answer eno ni file you know
na court
no so na wotumi na ohwe asem no say enyina so sunti yema no enyina
ho na monkoso
enti ema no enyina no na court no ba ni yeso antoya gbinu mu dey and yes da bi e ko appeal enti ya file appeal against that decision
no
na appeal no ho no na the process e ho ebetime dia ba no application for stay of execution. Stay of proceedings.
Necessary ke enu njina ma appeal no no
emransa na toso ena court no se da bi yentimi ntwen appeal nti enkoso
okay
na ebasa mrakwa mu no ye wo ho kwanya se yebekwa enim kakra ne court of appeal enu no nye appeal against the decision but a repeat of the same process stay of proceedings process in the file will you repeat it at court of appeal enu ne ye no eno hu na miwa madam for no say menim say ade no na me prostate court no so that we so me prostate court no
but on am mrakwan na
so it say if you want to compete
nti no ruling in the mba
no ruling in the ba no ya court of appeal so say there be omonye ntumti enko be defense
okay
it say ho na yewo anything na market say advertise a list of your possible witnesses. They will witness statements be filed very soon. Now,
but someone say, "Asemudi koswa." Sometimes you have the inner voice because you know very well say evidence and I say niema be chrese bia what somewhere de bia and what provided. Are you optimistic? Say it will go in your favor.
To be honest with you, say if I didn't believe in the case, I come in your crowd. Now, one thing though. Maybe I may share in my practice, no, me tie criminal law.
Oh, okay.
But me jai kra me pese me yebiu. In fact, see no.
I don't know.
I want to be case in send me back into criminal practice. Can me jai?
Ediana.
Yes, Eddie.
And time.
Your time.
No, your time. But me say or time.
Time and they are na ye accused persons no. Ya na disturbing.
Okay.
Be how we application for bail. Obi fa hu de e ya asresem. What's it hum? Then premium you money bail. Ya refuse the bail application. Now say now obi so hu chiri no. Africa for titiri. Ya na ye nije wo bi ahokyire mu basa ya ne hame adia esese ordinarily no esese nkase na ye no obinum bo tripo se ye man maso a na obi hu kyire no a na obi so sere eno na ya ne hame ntina mi ja criminal practice no in fact wo kaya Republic versus Amina Muhammad no na ye obakitu in fact na bibie ni ho manya once the crave is case me kura oba no so okofia Amina no pa me man wo number okofia kura me na minister kofia just this young lady on kwalami no ye ni ma na ye dina tumu satam no kura wo kokoto kura ko defend no ye dina police Maria mu na sare ndi ni hwehwehwe ubedu court ho no na ye na fi ho di Canada court na mi so ya mi crack it timi enye sabi it was all disturbing sa na ye era Kennedy Agyapong treason case no afa kura no na yentimi hu court wa de no court ya ko defend no until I had to file a habeas corpus application or human rights court say they should bring him dead or alive until senior treatment of the man honorable Kennedy Agyapong that time I'm sure CBS or TN or no Kasabidi who had near the custody you know back court and so who court nothing near Brebre and Mammy Jane who said me file habeas corpus application in fact me senior Tacha or no nana or ye case no DK yine omo yen sa no na me ko file sa habeas corpus application because na me na AN2 yes say onu chesi o na me so me ko human rights eventually no ye didn't buy human rights ho na enya bail man until we pain I be go through stress as even defense lawyer ya na ahomete some more so we say ye sisi obi gine fa hu die fi nsem bramranu mahu kwansa na so ni hu hwe abeya frustrating ebi ho ko fie kra untimi na it is oh yes say it me handle client can be so na criminal lawyer majai na we need chema untimi die ndi obi ho no a
adentina chema untimi die ndi opeke
you go to support when you see obvious injustice
so eno na mu ye ntema udi
eno na motivation na high crime be untouchable abehwe na chena ugina baby say now Tanzania happened
but Tanzania be so feel say nipa na so ne ye e ka ho bi
well there is a legal principle a friend ad hominem no say nipa na ugina ho no enye ne ye bi a wo ye no wanim eni ni suba ni nimbia nim no say Appiah-Kubi de wonye the evidence before the court necessarily and to her in the case of Republic versus Yura Chikata that principle no of ad hominem we say brana Yura Chikata wo court ho no enipa no atiti ho no na sebi wo mo ye judges no bebre ye mram no mu no eye ne ma aye or a senior chair wo mu nyina ena bi wo kra wo kire wo de papa no wo kire nipa mebre ade o ebi a wo behwe na judge no ni student pursue the D the mira hihye imu ena wo the mira hihye imu ena wo yesa entimu fasa suban no yesa entimu fasa suban no enchemutrim emua na ten na monhwe evidence na wo ho no na monfa enye adwuma eno ne ye frɛ no ad hominem principle
okay ti e ba na mmere mu a ye nhwe nipa ne ne ye
ebia Appiah-Kubi hu da bia wa wie nsan bro ewie what be gye ni wa wie nsan bro ewie what be gye ni wie nsan na bro no de mo fa picture
by evidence na what will be so ho no ma me hu videos a won hwe bi on ma ya na nye Ghana ha say de ba hwe se bi no obi akwa kokun obi na edna ba be gina eye judge ni bi asim de ne ko no we bi judge ne ka bi hwe ne pa no wasere no wa wusu ni ti upon my judge will say to me shut up before cry
na no hu ncheche ne chirechire won say
sometimes as a nipa no being remorseful no so no in a way and so clear
no say we are remorseful in fact attitude in court today e bo piu say o ho no e bia woni mu ana be na wakodu judge bi na ye ne ma fata dabi we uba wa we mbakra eno obe jaja samre na we gyan anim no die
so de ni die
onu na ye jaji wo ye lawyer no wo ye dwuma de aboa no nti wo more or less we officer of the court. The president of the court is the judge. Nti wo ye officer of the court no we are the staff. Wo ye dwuma no bi de aboa no nti kwambie ni ho se wo kire no disrespect no kwambie ni ho sa
okay
and then mo binmu a wonim no na begina ho yes an mo a mo wo case no because nipa ye nipa mo say ordinarily no and say judge be influenced by conduct no but any person ti anhwe ya na hihya wo ho so fa so no na obrenasi na oni person no akoso na anhwe na ubeye de ese se wo ye ditia no
nti so fa ne ma ekoso nyina prosecutor no nani so ade ho ne se eye wo client ne de ne betumu ana
mintimi kasa on kasa nkyere mi
okay
nenso so de Ghana yemra no appointee prosecutor no aye attorney general say ono kro no osan ye minister for justice enti wo hyeche mienu mre bia no so hyeche mienu a ya na ehu hia so be ye careful so unya che ba ko so anything ya ne ka say bema o yiri bi no hwe say
obedo ha
na
medo bi nya bi
utimi ndo mienu a wa kaso so enti so hyeche mienu a so hwe say want to wadwuma ukura as minister for justice nasi enti no prosecutor no e ka wadwuma ho no we ye no nko na eja we ye kira na we afum so enti so make sure say you are fair, you are orderly, you are lawful, and you also uphold the rights of others. Enti nipa no ojina wenim no although who prosecute no make sure say who prosecute no within the law. Taking cognizance of his rights and also your responsibility as Minister of Justice.
Okay, now no, who fair idea when as I see me winning ebebe we na.
Many about me kase minim tamu na meboa. And chese a witness is cry away from no. Omo more professional than ordinary.
Oh, okay.
Because kofa ubia oye well versed in minerals law. Obia where ebia former minister ebia odasoye member of parliament assignment mebri enti omo na ye witnesses see
okay
and they say on the second say uba me cross examination on the second
of next month
assuming
assuming okay
ebia second no ye kan wo appointment and I wouldn't say a witness and so a voluntary said you interest come witness you have a responsibility to come and the assessor court no witnesses no manage time such that you bet and I don't forget somebody's rights in issue somebody's human right nti won't mean kase chen se ne wa amadia ene minti was there be we must have constitution no say a man adequate time to prepare for his defense and even facilities.
Dedi kama amena PENDREAM TV ase na so far so good say open online portal e wo Ghana nipa share nipa follow nipa comment here to my best of knowledge without any biases PENDREAM TV